Fresh land scam heat on Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge family-run trust. Amid the Muda and aerospace land scam heat continues to mount on Kharge and family. BJP MP Lahar Singh Saroya has now alleged that another 19 acres of government land in Kalaburgi was given for free to Siddhartha Vihara Trust, which is controlled by the Kharges. The land parcel was allegedly given to International Institute of Pali in Kalaburgi, controlled by the trust, which has Kharge family as the prominent trustees. The BJP MP demanded an independent probe into Siddaramaiah government's land transfers. The governor, Thawarchand Gehlot, has sought an explanation from the chief secretary over allegations surrounding the allotment of the civic amenity plot. This after a complaint was lodged by leader of the opposition in the Legislative Council. Heading out to the governor, Priyank Kharge said that the governor has acted in lightning speed on complaints against Congress leaders, but with tortoise speed on ones against BJP and JDS leaders. After Karnataka governor granted prosecution sanction against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah in the alleged Muda land allocation scam, Muda Commissioner Dinesh Kumar has been suspended. An inquiry has been ordered against him.
19 एकड़ जमीन 30 वर्ष की लीज पे उनको इंस्टीट्यूशन को दी गई थी। जो उनका इंस्टीट्यूशन है वो पाली और संस्कृत के बारे में जो इंस्टीट्यूट है उसको दी गई थी और उसको एक साल में ही उस जमीन को 19 एकड़ जमीन को उन्होंने अपने ट्रस्ट के नाम पे गवर्नमेंट ने फ्री परमानेंट दे दी, गिफ्ट कर दी। ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? और अब जो हमारे पास जो समाचार आ रहे हैं वहाँ इंस्टीट्यूशन कुछ बना ही नहीं है, ऐसा कहा जा रहा है। कोई पाली और संस्कृत की भाषा के लिए कुछ नहीं किया गया है और वो 19 एकड़ जमीन जो है उनको अपने ट्रस्ट में लेकर के उन्होंने इस परिवार ने उस पर कब्जा कर लिया है।
Governor has also sought an explanation from the government as to how 5 acres of land was awarded to Kharge's family. What was the criteria?
See, 19 acres land has been given to their trust for 30 years lease. So in the later stages, how it has converted to a free land, I don't know. But CAG report has brought out the anomaly. But I don't know how they are going to answer this. It will be checked properly.
Priyank Kharge says that the governor acts at lightning speed if the allegation is against Congress leaders, but for BJP leaders, governor is very laid back.
See, he also talking rubbish sometime. Yesterday he mentioned there is two constitution in Karnataka. One is for BJP, one is for Congress. Governor is act like that. Is it not a rubbish statement by a minister?
What our leaders, Mr. Narayan Swamy, opposition leader, and Lahar Singh also commented on that. We support that because they are given a document, every document. They are not just allegation. Naturally, they have to investigate. That is the demand of the party.
Time and again, everywhere you are trying to take advantage. Now 5 acres in KDB. What are you going to do in that CA? In an industrial area, what is that you are going to do in this industrial area? Are you going to start a fire station, a power station? Are you going to start an industrial training institute? What is that? That land has got particular purpose. What purpose you have got there to do in that industrial area?
Urban Development Department commission is appointed. ಅವರು ಏನು ವರದಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಟೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಲಿ, ದಿನೇಶ್ನವರು ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಮ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
That is all nothing. It is only a paper news for them. There is nothing, no out of the law. Everything is within the law, and it is nothing is there for any private individual. It is a charitable trust. Anyone can become a trustee, including the BJP MP.
Governor has demanded document from the Chief Secretary about the CA site, sir. How do you see this? Whereas the sanction application which has already been filed against India leaders, the RTI reply shows that it's been disposed of. When it comes to you, they are demanding documents, but when it comes to India leaders and the BJP leaders...
Governor has issued the letter to the Chief Secretary. Chief Secretary will give a appropriate, detailed report.
Okay. How do you see the RTA reply, which shows that the sanction against India leaders has been disposed of, but when it comes to Congress leaders,
I've not gone through it. I don't want to comment. I never comment which I not known or seen.